I think I feel very strongly Jewish. Part of it is to do with what happened during World War II, and that has a great effect on me. The fact that 6 million Jews were murdered maybe wanted to be at least one of the surviving Jews. And so I felt more strongly Jewish in that sense.
And were you aware of the Holocaust as it was happening?
No. I remember one thing. Maybe it was the early 50s that my parents told me about it. I was in public school, which was mostly Jewish, but the kids there thought it was a joke. The parents really never talked about it, never introduced them to it. So I kind of felt I stuck out, and I didn't want to talk about it because they were trivializing the whole experience. I remember that very clearly. And but I feel very Jewish, even though I don't follow. I mean, I can feel that way and still be sequestered in this tiny space. Sort of like a prison here. I'm here, so really, on Friday, they have a ceremony, which I only have it once in a while, and I like to try to get to that.